Okay. This is a Mike Wawzoski parking assistant that I made today because I want to make sure that I park the Jeep right in the garage. It was pretty easy. I got a smooth styrofoam ball and I poked him with a hole and I put a string through him. And I put a washer on the other end so that the string doesn't come out easily. And I drew the eye and the mouth in Photoshop and printed it out. I drew the hands on paper myself and colored them, same with the feet. Did a little bit of a rush job. Those don't have to be printed. You can do them by hand and color them on both sides. Same thing with the horns. He was pretty easy to make, and I used acrylic paint to paint the body in green. It was done pretty quickly and a fun little easy project. Okay, that is just too cool to come home to that and smash into Mike Wawzoski in the windshield and you know when to stop. That's great. It is from the other direction. Got him tacked up there by the garage door opener.